to new vlog. Now I'm gonna use Apple Watch every single time. That's our like small thing. Have vegetables. Behind me are chickens. Now I can explain something because I'm not scared about the mic. Bruno, plan for today, maybe go to Kraków. I know, I feel so happy. I feel like I found a new thing. And took me a year to understand how important are tripod shots. Stable shot when you are not shaking camera like crazy. Hey Bruno. That's the ski slope. Oops, alohomore. That's why I need to have better camera for better dynamic range filming Bruno. That's the main reason. Welcome to Kraków. Weather is not the best, but let's explore Christmas market again. I'm with my dad, so I'm gonna be even more awkward. I'm testing the mic in a busy place. Once again, my favorite spot, view in Kraków. And now I'm saying something. I should prepare something interesting to say. 15 minutes ride, 70 euro, if anyone wants to know, to ride one of those. Weather is bad, but there's a lot of people. But it's Sunday. Sunday is Kraków, it's always packed. Look like a crazy person probably, but it's fine. Ten zegarek może nagrywać. Ostatnio to zauważyłem i nawet nie jest jakoś najgorsza. Okay, let's check out finally the Christmas market. Let's do this. Toreador, mon garde. Toreador, toreador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend. Toreador, l'amour t'attend. I have professional filmmaker, my dad is filming me right now. Drone shots are amazing. Kraków is such a beautiful town. I know I'm repeating myself, but you should visit. Flares, paintings. Train station in Kraków. My dad told me to film this. Time to slowly go home. I don't know, you saw this picture many times, but I just love to go here on Sunday and film Kraków. It's beautiful, but I don't know if you can see us, like quality at night. It's tak ciężko raczej będzie widać. How to not love this sound. Final shot on Kraków. Like I love talking to this Apple Watch. It's amazing. Progress. I can talk to camera something. My favorite spot in Kraków. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Wow. Good boy. Trying to edit, found something crazy. 38 creepiest photos ever taken. There was a woman in France, Blanche Monnier, locked in her room for 25 years by her mother. Imagine that. Crazy.